Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. I'm your host Hassan Khorom, and this channel I teach programming skills to students all over the world. I have been producing a series of tutorial video regarding marketing analytics in Python. So today is kind of the very end of the tutorial series where I'm going to teach you how you can actually generate reports automatically and save them in your directory. So you have to just for example, if you have to send it to your boss, to stakeholders, you might just send the CSV file, you might just send the HTML layout of that plotly dashboard. That is actually doable in Python library. So this is exactly what I'm going to teach you, how to automate marketing reports and save hours weekly with Python. So first of all, the thing that comes in our mind is to apply group by method. Once you apply the group by method, you just simply export it as a CSV file, so your stakeholder, your boss, might be able to see it directly without actually having to deal with Python stuff. So in this particular code of block here, you do see that I have like this initialize a variable in summary, and then I'm applying group by method function on the group by method on this particular data frame, and I'm grouping the value by marketing channel type. Once that has been grouped by, I'm aggregating the total profit means some value, and then once it has been aggregated with total profit some value for every marketing channel type, I'm sorting it in the descending order. Now once that this particular calculation has been stored as a data frame in the summary, what I can do, I can apply this function to CSV that will actually write the CSV file for the stored data frame. So this is how you can actually automate a report once you've done the analysis and send it to stakeholders. Another thing you can do, actually generate the plot and save the plot as a PNG file. That is also doable in Python. So here you can see that for the same type of data we have generated summary, we are applying plot function or from pandas library, and we are passing two input arguments. The first input argument, what is the type of plot? In our case we want it bar, and the second input argument is the title. Then we have x y axis, then we have layout some options, and finally this is the main syntax that saves the plot in the directory. And finally we are going to render it as well, and finally we have a short sweet print statement that says okay, we have successfully able to save the plot. And the most important thing, like if you recall in previous lecture, I told you that we can sort of have this visualization at hand, that is generated through Plotly Express and interactive dashboard. Now what we can do here right now is to export that dashboard in the form of HTML, so the stakeholder, your boss, would just simply open it in the browser, and he will have the same functionality as we are still having right now, and be able to select the particular, like the filters will be there, the hover options will be there. We can actually save all those information, all those interactive dashboard in the form of HTML. And how we can do that? We can do that through this particular thing here, fig.write HTML, that will store that information in the form of HTML. And if you don't want to send the interactive dashboard, you want to send the PNG version, just the image version, you can also do that. So that's pretty much it for generating automated reports in Python. I hope this tutorial have been helpful. If you have any question, feel free to write down your comments. I will be happy to help you out.